guys, beginning our experience at the fountain of the Llano de Juan. This fountain was a very polemic piece of work that was installed or made in 1942 when Mexico was trying to be a more open-minded. The model at the time was 17 years old, Elvia Martinez. Unfortunately, she just died the past February. She was 98 years old. Okay? And this fountain, guys, hasn't been here all the time. It has been changing different places in the city. All the people began to complain about having a naked lady in the middle of the city, so they asked for a bikini. They had to put a bikini on the bronze statue, a bikini made of bronze, okay, to cover that lady. Okay, years later, 1968, we were celebrating the Olympic Games, and we decided to show the world how the art in Mexico was, how open-minded we were at the best place of Mexico. So they decided to take off the bikini and to show this experience as this piece of work as it is. Okay, what happened? Unfortunately, this statue was damaged and they have to build a new one. The mayor of Mexico City decided to buy the original one and he took it to his hometown, leaving this over here, one of the most iconic roundabouts of Mexico City. Remember that it was inspired in a goddess, okay? A Greek goddess, Diana that is holding her bow. But where is the arrow of Diana the Huntress? We're gonna show you. This is the arrow guy that I was telling you about, the one that we were missing in the statue of Diana the Huntress. And from here, we're going to begin our walk through the pink zone, the Zona Rosa in Mexico City. Not red, not white, but submerged in between those two colors. On the day, families would walk around through, and at night it becomes a very vibrant nightlife with lots of gay bars and lots of places to enjoy the party. We're walking around the Reforma Avenue. This avenue is one of the most iconic avenues and personally one of my favorite ones. You're gonna find statues of different characters of the history. This is the first place where we had a gay bar in Mexico. This project was a project that was born 10 years after the Stonewall riots in 1979. This when two businessmen decided to join themselves in Acapulco and decided to create the Bar 9, the Bar 9. Okay? This place used to be a restaurant, the Bar 9, and then they opened it back up, and it was open for around 10 years. When a lot of groups, music groups from all over Mexico and the world came here to play. So it was not only like a place for the gay community, it was also a place for music and for artists until 1989 that it was closed. But in 2018, they opened a new place that is called the Bar 9 of Amberes, and we're gonna get to see it in a moment. This is the Hotel Denise. It's one of the iconic hotels that we have in the Zona Rosa. This hotel was one of the first hotels accepting ladies traveling solo. Okay, before it was used or it was obligatory that a lady had to travel with a man. Okay, so in this hotel they accepted them. This is a hotel that was inspired in the French and Spanish architecture. Okay, and inside, guys, there are beautiful rooms with even artifacts from the beginning of the 20th century. Okay, it was one of the first hotels that we have in whole Mexico. This is the street of Genova. Genova is a pedestrian street where you're gonna find lots of bars, restaurants, places where you can enjoy a churro, maybe a beer. Picture this out, guys. Now there's not a lot of people who can walk freely around, but on June the 25th this year, there's gonna be thousands of people over here. We're expected to have 2 million people coming to the Pride celebration this year, and it is going to be completely full because this is the place where the LGBTQ community comes to party mainly.